Hello guys, this is a daily analysis for today. All right, so today is Wednesday, and basically what we have today is flash manufacturing services and PMI services, flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI for the Eurozone and the US economy. That's all we have today. Then we also have interest rate data for the Bank of Canada, right? So let's look at the chart. Okay, so when we look at what's going on here, we gave a trade out this morning on Euro USD, and then the goal we had for this trade is the entry we had here, just the way this trade is playing out now currently. This was the entry we set, okay, and the bias that we had on this trade was basically that price is going to pull back down to this area, all right? So price has currently passed the entry where we are right now. So we're currently, the trade has already triggered. So we're expecting that price is going to come all the way down here, right? So that's the trade we have already. We have the trade already set out this morning. But then something we might need to adjust on that trade is that we might need to adjust the take profit on the trade. We might need to adjust the take profit and bring the take profit here on this trade. Take profit should be around here. And the reason for that is that from what I'm seeing on this chart, I'm seeing it looks as if we are seeing a bullish bias on the chart right here, bullish bias here. And just to be on the safe side, we want to be able to take profit. Once price pulls down, we'll take profit here. And just in case price wants to start buying or wants to continue buying, right? So we expect at least price to pull back to this area, then we'll take profit on that. So what we're going to do is that we're going to adjust our, take profit targets. We're going to adjust our take profit level to this point, 1.26, 1.26850, 1.26, 1.26850, right? So that's where we're adjusting our take profit to right now. We're adjusting our take profit from where it was before to this area here. So that's what we're going to do, adjust our take profit there. Now let's check what we have on USD JPY. So USD JPY too, the trade we set this morning, we actually targeted the price moving all the way up there, right? But from what I see, it looks as if we might have some sort of a bearish bias, right? So we are going to literally break even on this pair. We're literally going to break even on this pair, which is we're going to change our take profit level to 147.730, let's check that. So 147.730, 147.730. We're just going to break even and allow this trade to continue to sell, because the reason why we're breaking even is that when I look at the larger time frame, it looks to me that price is likely going to sell on USD JPY. Price is likely going to sell to this point, so this is the area I'm expecting price to now come to. Okay, I'm expecting price to come here. This is the area I'm expecting price to get to before it buys again. I'm expecting price to pull down to this area before it buys again, right? So for that reason, this trade we already entered, that's where we expected to buy. We will just break even on that trade, and our break even price is going to be at this point, 147. Take profit 147.73, 74 actually, 740. Okay, so you can see that's a very tiny take profit now. It's more like a break-even take profit kind of, right? It's more like break-even take profit. So that's what we're going to do there. We're changing our take profit to break-even, and then we're going to set another trade. We're going to set another trade. Let's set the trade now. So the next trade we're going to set is going to be at this area. We'll set another trade here. And then we'll be able to, this one will be a very heavy trade. This one will be like 200 pips target. And yeah, so this is going to be a trade this is quite a massive trade. Okay, this is quite a massive trade. Okay, so this for how we're going to do this one, and that's how we're going to do that one, right? So we're going to send this trade out. This trade is not ready at all at this time, so we're going to send this trade out much later, right? So, but we're going to change the parameters on that. Then GBP USD also. GBP USD also, it looks as if we're having a bullish bias here. So we're also going to just take profit on GBP USD once price hits that point. You know, initially we entered the trade here. So we'll put our stop loss at this point here. So it looks as if price is pushing up. If price peradventure moves down, we will just take profit on our trade. We'll take profit somewhere here. We'll take profit somewhere here, and then that will be it. We'll take profit somewhere here, and that will be it. 1.2710, 1.2702. 1.2702 is what our take profit is going to be. 1.2702. Let's check this. 1.2702. Take profit, take profit, take profit. 1.272020. Okay. So that's going to be where our take profit is going to be. We'll just want to exit these trades in positive. Then we'll prepare for another trade, right? Okay, so yeah, these are the trades we have for now. And what we've just done is we just made adjustments to our previous trades. And the reason for that is that we can see that the dollar index seems to be pushing down. Dollar index is pushing down, it's pushing down, pushing down, it's pushing down. And so it looks as if there's a bit of a change in bias in the market. So we have to change as the market is changing, right? So yeah. So that's it, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one.